Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're just doing that sweatshirt you saw, and like I don't hoop my materials. I always float my shirt or sweater. So I've already hooped my stabilizer, and I just use my basting spray and spray it a little bit and put on my sweater. So right now I'm babysitting my machine. As you know, those are some of the disadvantages of a single needle machine, but the end result is rewarding, so it doesn't really matter. So I'm hoping, even though I had some challenges with my thread keep breaking and breaking and breaking, but you know we went through it and we were able to get it done. So let's keep watching and you will see some of the challenges that I had. There's somewhere where I almost messed it up because I turned my back from babysitting. That's why you always babysit. You can't turn your back. Okay, so over there, my thread broke. That was one of the times. And I had to keep changing, rethreading, and rethreading. But maybe I need to check my tension, or the thread I'm using is, I don't know whether I need to change my thread or change my tension. Maybe one of them. But I'll figure that out later. Right now, I'm not prepared to mess with this machine because I don't want it to start giving me any problem, not at this time. So I'm just gonna go through with that. I'm gonna bear it, and what I just did, please do not do it. When you're working, make sure to pause your machine before you cut your thread. Do not cut your thread while your needle is moving. That's risky. Don't do it. Not because you see me do it. Do not do it. It's not safe. So if this is your first time, I want to say welcome to Motherland Mom's Crafting. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you can join this family. Just hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Feel free to leave your comments down in the comment section. Let me know if there's something you want to try out, or if you have questions. I'm very open to trying out new things. So let me know if there's something that you're thinking about, you want to do, but you want somebody to experiment with it. I'm here. I will try it out for you and we'll see the results of it. And to those of you, my subscribers, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for entrusting me with your time. And I hope we can all encourage others to just join this family. Let's hang out together. Let's continue to learn more new things. Bring your ideas to the table. Just shoot me a comment, or the email address is always in the description, so you can email me or just leave your comment in the comment section. And I don't have a lot of subscribers right now, so I take my time to go through all of my comments and I respond to each of them. So thank you so much. Let's do this together, and I hope you're applying everything that you see here, and whatever it is that you can find here. If I know someone who can do it, feel free to ask me. I'll recommend you to their channel. I will text you the link, and there's just a lot we can learn. So in this area I had a couple of jump stitches, but I'm just gonna ignore that first one because I really don't want to go back over there. But as you can see, this one, yeah, it has jumped, and I mean it's just messing up. So I'm gonna go back on my machine. The thread cut, it broke over there, and I'm just gonna go back on my machine, and I'm gonna go a couple of steps backwards. I'm gonna have to go some stitches backwards. So that's how you do it, to go to fill in those areas that you think the machine jumped those stitches. As you can see, I'm pressing that minus sign and it's moving backwards. My stitch is actually going back, and I'm going to take it all the way back to wherever I think is okay for me. That's where I'm going to restart my work from. So yeah, I just had to do that because my stitches jump over there a couple of times and I didn't want to leave it open like this one. I could have gone back to that one, but I don't want to be bothered with it, so I'm just gonna leave it like that and move on. So I just thought to point that out to you, so just in case you have an issue like that, so you know what to do. So I'm just removing the sweater off the hoop to cut off the excess stabilizer, and then we're gonna see all of our hard work, how it came out. It's time to critique it, where we had some jump stitches, where we have break thread and all that kind of crap. It's time to see everything. And you see the bottom, it's pretty much good. It's not that rough. So let's turn to the right side, and oh, I think it looks good. Let's straighten that camera and see. I think it looks really good. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you make yours.
I'm on my own. I said I want my own.